I'm Jared Deenda, and we're talking about customization, specifically function and functionality, how you can customize your bike to fit your riding style. We're going to be talking about storage, seats, handlebars, windshield, audio, and finally, headlights. Storage. Well, why do you need storage? Well, if you're a long distance rider or a commuter, you can find a great permanent solution or a flexible solution. Here we have the rigid mount saddlebags. Customize it, again, put all your stuff in there. Or the flexible option is this Onyx luggage collection. Flexible, easy, on and off, on the go. Virtually every model and every rider, there's an option for you. Let's talk about seats. These right here are the reach seats. Many different size people, length of limbs, wide, narrow, off the ground, closer to the ground. You want to get comfortable, right? So a variety of options for all types of riding and all types of riders. Let's talk about handlebars, the controls. That's where you grip on, hit the open road. You want to be comfortable. Many different options there. Wide, narrow, front, back, up, down. Again, so many options. These are both reach handlebars. Moving on to the windshield. Why a windshield? Well, you want to get that wind off your chest, reduce fatigue on the long and open road. You're going to fix one like this. And what's cool about this one is actually detachable. Next up, audio. Boom audio. Harley-Davidson's got you covered, either stage 1 or stage 2. This Ultra Limited right here has 4 speakers, courtesy of that Boom audio system. Excellent sound for rider and passenger. Last but not least, lighting. You can add auxiliary lights or upgrade the stock lights because you want to help see as well as be seen on the road. Both of these bikes are outfitted with a 7-inch Daymaker adaptive headlamp. This one is sweet because it actually has these LEDs right here on top and bottom, and depending on your lean angle, it actually adjusts the light to see in the direction of your turn. Awesome technology. And keep in mind, your Harley-Davidson dealer is your genuine parts and accessories expert.